Have you ever packed for a camping trip thinking you had your cooking setup covered, only to discover that your cookware is too small, difficult to clean, or simply not built for cooking real meals outdoors? It's a common problem, especially when you're cooking for family or a group of friends. Finding a camping cookware set that balances durability, portability, and convenience isn't always easy, but this one might be closer than most. Today, we're taking a look at the KingCamp Camping Cookware Set, a complete outdoor cooking solution designed for campers, hikers, overlanders, and families who want a reliable cooking setup for groups of 4 to 6 people. Instead of carrying multiple mismatched pots and pans, this set aims to keep everything organized while providing the versatility needed for real outdoor cooking. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the KingCamp set feels thoughtfully designed. Everything nests together neatly inside the included travel tote bag, which immediately makes packing and transportation easier. Rather than taking up valuable storage space in your vehicle or camping gear, the cookware stacks efficiently into one compact package. That's something you'll appreciate every time you're loading up for a trip. The build quality is one of the biggest highlights here. KingCamp uses 304 stainless steel with a double bottom design, and the result is cookware that feels solid and dependable in your hands. It doesn't have that thin, flimsy feel that some budget camping cookware sets suffer from. More importantly, the stainless steel construction offers excellent resistance to rust, corrosion, and general wear, which matters when your gear is regularly exposed to moisture, dirt, and changing weather conditions. The cookware also feels practical rather than overcomplicated. The handles are designed with outdoor use in mind and can be used for hanging pots over open fires when needed. Small details like this make the set feel purpose-built for camping rather than simply adapted from household cookware. One feature that immediately stands out during real-world use is the variety of cookware included. You get multiple pot sizes, a frying pan, a kettle, and a colander, which creates a much more complete cooking experience than many competing sets. Whether you're boiling water for coffee, cooking pasta for the family, frying breakfast, or preparing vegetables, there is usually a piece in the set that's well suited for the task. Performance is impressive for a cookware kit in this category. The stainless steel construction heats efficiently across various cooking methods, including campfires, charcoal grills, propane stoves, wood fires, and induction cooktops. That flexibility means you're not locked into a single cooking setup. During use, the cookware reaches cooking temperature fairly quickly, helping reduce waiting time when everyone is hungry around the campsite. The nonstick griddle pan is especially useful. Food releases more easily, cleanup takes less effort, and the removable handle makes storage more convenient. After cooking, maintenance is refreshingly simple. The nonstick surface minimizes stuck-on food, while the stainless steel pots clean up without requiring excessive scrubbing. The included colander is another underrated feature that becomes surprisingly useful when draining pasta, rinsing vegetables, or preparing meals outdoors. Of course, no cookware set is perfect. Because the KingCamp set prioritizes durability, it is heavier than ultralight aluminum cookware designed specifically for backpackers. If you're counting every ounce during multi-day hiking trips, there are lighter options available. However, those alternatives often sacrifice durability, capacity, or versatility. For car camping, family camping, RV travel, and outdoor gatherings, the added weight is unlikely to be a major concern. Compared to many cookware sets in the same price range, KingCamp delivers a more complete package. Some competitors focus on portability, but include fewer pieces, while others use lighter materials that may not hold up as well over time. The combination of durable stainless steel construction, multiple cookware options, a non-stick pan, and practical storage gives KingCamp a strong value advantage. Overall, the KingCamp Camping Cookware Set is an excellent choice for campers who want dependable outdoor cookware that can handle a variety of cooking situations. It solves many of the common frustrations associated with outdoor meal preparation while remaining easy to pack, use, and maintain. If you're planning camping trips, outdoor adventures, or family cookouts and want a cookware set that makes camp cooking easier, check out the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest camping gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.